sa ating ina topic this morning, Cream Puffs Tower.
Christmas
Ganda!
came early. Paskong
Oo.
Pasko dito.
Actually, oo.
Diba?
Bibs na, pang Pasko yan, di ba? Ipapatikim sa atin yan ni Nikki Mencenares. May-ari po ng The Softbox Patisserie.
Hi, Nikki.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi
sweet
po.
morning.
Oo, maganda nga itong idea sa mga anak.
Yes.
Bukod sa Cream
Oo,
Puffs,
tinan mo.
binanatan, sorry, bungi-bungiling ko.
Okay lang.
Maganda po talaga to. Oh, maganda po talaga to kaso nabunutan ko lang. Talagang medyo napigtasan ko lang kaya ganyan yung itsura pero bongga talaga siya.
Tubig ka ba dyan?
Oo, meron naman po.
Okay,
Ayan, so
tubig
tikman
naman
natin. Ang sarap.
Oh, patikim naman
Soul
niya.
negosyo mo to?
Opo.
Wow, paano ka nag-start?
Nag-start ako actually during the pandemic. Nanggaling ako sa digital marketing agency at first and then I resigned. Timing nga naman siguro maganda kasi right after I resigned sa corporate job ko before, biglang nag-hit yung pandemic. So everybody was staying home and I had to do something to amuse myself. And since isa sa mga passion ko din naman yung pagluluto and pagbe-bake, I decided to start up yung pastry business ko. So of course, noong una, sa family and friends pa lang ako nagtitinda until eventually I had the courage to really market na
Oo.
Ilang
sa
taon ka
social
na?
media. Right now, I'm 27.
Wow!
I started when I was
Young.
23.
Grabe, gano'n na pala yung pandemic, no?
Oo, yeah, it's been 4 years.
But congratulations, it's beautiful. How
Thank
did you
you.
think? Marami naging cream puffs. Ano yung trigger mo na gawin? Uy, teka, gawin kaya natin tong tower.
Well, actually, mahilig din kasi ako manood ng mga cooking show. And usually, if familiar kayo sa, Master Chef
Yes, yes.
yun.
Oh, yeah,
Usually,
yeah.
part siya ng yung challenge nila, yung mga pressure test. So, na-intriga ako, I think, inisip ko, baka pwede rin namin gawin. Pero, it all started when one of my customers asked kung kaya kong gumawa ng tower. Kasi gumagawa na talaga ako ng cream puffs even before that. Tapos, kahit na wala pa akong...
Masarap
Thank
pa?
you po.
Masarap pati
Titignan
yung
ko
cream.
mamaya.
Kahit wala pa akong experience ng paggawa ng tower at the time, umuo lang ako. Hindi ko pa,
Naman,
hindi pa ako
diba?
sure. So, dinaan ko siya sa lakas ng loob, tas nakailang trial and error. And medyo malayo na rin yung journey ng paggawa namin ng tower. It didn't look this polished before. Sobrang rustic niya. So, yun. 4 years kasi din of experience.
Ikikritik ko lang. Dear, pwede mo ba abutan si ma'am? Sorry, parang kasi nakatingin sa akin.
This one.
Oo.
Okay, yung
Favorite
classic.
ko yan eh.
Ay,
Yan
yung
yung
classic.
classic, di ba?
Ito,
Yung
mamo,
classic muna
i-judge
tayo.
ko. Nandito ako
Based on
sa...
the classic.
nandito ako sa
Ito,
puti.
ito.
Diba? Ito yung may design.
Sa classic.
Ang dami ko na natikman na cream puffs. Kaya ako nasasarapan dito is because makapal din yung tsokolate niya. Yung ibang cream puffs, para akong
Din yung
ginujoke. Yung
tsokolate.
parang parang,
Ginujoke.
yung parang napakanipis ng tsokolating hindi mo na natikman.
Oo, syempre ako
Ito.
naman, ang test sa akin, kung maraming
Yung
cream sa
classic.
loob ng puff.
Ito,
Kasi
madami.
iba, parang nasa loob lang yung cream.
Oo. Harina at parang harinang tinubuan na
Shortchange
parang
din.
in-injection na ng karampot na cream. Ito, madami po siya.
Ganun tayo
Binukod ko na
ka-totoo
yun.
ah. Talagang
Oo.
we say it straight. Pero ito yung unique sa kanya. Kailangan nakita ng cream puff na may design na mga bola-bola. Pwede palang customize yung mga
Yes,
design.
Magkano yung box
pwede
na yan?
po.
Oo.
Ang 1 dozen po namin ng assorted top or yung mga chocolate-coated ones is 655.
How many box of?
1 dozen. So,
1 dozen.
12 pieces siya.
Oo.
Tapos, vanilla custard yung filling niya. It's not whipping cream, it's not diplomat. So,
That
custard
makes a
talaga.
difference pala. Yung iba pa whipped cream lang.
Yes, yung iba diplomat, mixture ng whipping and ng custard.
May question pala ako sa'yo. Kasi, like, what did your mom say
Oh, wow.
nung nag-start ka?
Wala.
Diba? Was it, may tulong ba niya agad? Or was it all your own, initiative?
Actually, yung recipe, it originated from her. So, it was something that she passed on to me. Tapos, hilig kasi talaga namin sa family namin. We really like the classic cream puffs, yung caramel, yung topping. Kasi yung texture and yung flavor and all.
Saka yung naglalaban yung crispy something on
And
top.
then yung soft, and then yung silkiness ng custard. Yeah. So, yun, mahilig talaga kami dyan. And then, nung sinabi, when I was growing up, laging sinasabi sa akin ng mom ko na nagbebenta daw siya ng cream puffs before. So,
may influence
kinulit ko,
talaga.
sabi ko, asan yung recipe? And then, when I got the recipe, kung nakita niyo yung paper niya na recipe, talagang typewritten pa siya, tas color brown pa. And then, I just made a few adjustments para mas palatable siya sa current time. Kasi a little too sweet before or may konti pang enhancement na kailangan. Ayun, so that's how we arrived dun sa recipe namin ngayon.
Oh my gosh, mas digital marketing ka, di ba?
Yes.
How do you apply it right now?
Of course, I handle all our social media accounts. So as much as possible, pag hindi masyado busy sa kitchen, nakakagawa ako ng content. So lahat ng post. And hilig ko din kasi mag-photography. So lahat ng marketing from start to finish, kahit yung pagbe-bake, ako lahat yun in the at first. So ngayon, since may team na ako, I already have people helping me bake. Lalo na pag need namin mag-mass produce kasi especially during Christmas, ganyan, weddings. Pero especially Christmas and New Year's, yan. Marami kami order, especially yung towers.
Kailan pumutok yung negosyo mo?
It was really helpful nung 2020 na maraming tao yung gustong mag-support ng small businesses. That was the first. Tapos doon din kami unang na-feature sa news article, ganyan. And then, nagdara-diretso siya, 2021. Then, around 2022, nagkaroon ako ng store sa SM North.
Wow, grabe.
And then, after that,
At
we decided...
25 ka nun? 20 ano?
Something like that. Around 25 years old. Yeah.
Kung saan ka kumuha ng kapital doon, nag-loan ka rin?
Actually, hindi naman kinailangan kasi at that time, we had a program na supporting small businesses. So, it was not as big as yung regular deals ng mga mall at that time. Ayun, and then hopefully soon, baka magkaroon ulit. Yeah.
Meron ka pa rin sa SM?
Right now, back to home base kami. So we're focusing more on online orders kasi I have a very lean team. Yung kasama ko ngayon, sila lang din yung tumutulong sa akin mag-bake. So mas productive kasi kami this way na online orders. Tas talaga kasi it takes time to produce yung mga cream puffs, especially kapag ganitong klaseng design na intricate yung piping.
I'm sure ginaya ka na after mo cream puff tower, etc.
Yeah.
How do you remain true to your roots and parang a cut above the rest sa market?
Actually, meron namang ibang mga nauna sa akin. Obviously, sa cream puff, maraming mas
Oo
may
naman.
kilala sa
Oo
bigger
naman.
brands. And even sa tower, merong bigger brands other than me. But hindi naman ako masyado na-intimidate. I think lang is we help each other grow the market na interested sa cream puff. So may kanya-kanya lang kaming spin on the recipe, on the way we design it. And as much as possible, I like to experiment. So a year ago, hindi pa available yung ganitong klaseng design. A year ago, kasi if mapapansin nyo yung mga cream puff sa market, usually dip lang siya and it's not so smooth.
Yeah.
And then, I just go with the trends na napapansin ko din kasi sa social media. If nakikita niyo yung mga hyper-realistic cakes
Oh!
and yung magagandang towers na maraming design,
Yeah.
sabi ko, baka pwedeng applicable din siya dun sa cream puff. And kaya we arrived with this na magde-design kami kung ano yung pwedeng shape na ball, baka pwede naming ilagay. So, yun.
Labor of love eh. Ito gusto ko maalaman, MJ yan. Ano yung nandun sa side ni MJ na Biscoff ba yun?
ano yun?
Oo, yung batch na parang bago rin sa paningin ko bilang cream puff to eh. Tell us about it. Yan.
That one naman, yan. Those are the assorted filling.
Okay.
So,
assorted filling?
assorted filling
Meaning,
siya.
hindi lang cream?
Hindi lang siya vanilla custard.
Okay, ano siya?
So,
Vanilla
meron
custard.
siyang Nutella.
Okay. Nutella? Alin dyan? May magusto ni Erin yun.
That one is tiramisu and then the other one
Ay, gusto ko
is
yung tiramisu.
mango graham.
Ay,
That one is tiramisu yung dark chocolate.
Oh,
Yeah.
yan.
And then the other one
Coffee
is
flavored.
coffee cream cheese yung filling niya.
Oh my
That
gosh.
one is, I believe it's mango graham.
Oh, wow.
So may mango puree siya sa loob and then vanilla diplomat.
Now, that makes you different.
Yes.
Oo.
So,
yung
yun
Biscoff,
nag-innovate
ano
siya.
filling?
yung Biscoff is also mango puree and then diplomat.
This one?
That one is the Nutella one.
Wow. Pasensya na sa doktor ko sa diabetes.
Okay.
Ngayon lang po ito, sensya na po. Kailangan ko pong...
Kailangan daw niya
Pag may
tikman.
metformin.
Wow! Ano to? Anong feeling to?
Coffee cream cheese po siya. So that's what makes it tiramisu for
Ay, ang
us.
sarap!
Yun yung spin namin.
Masarap!
Tiramisu
I love
pareho.
coffee.
Ay, wait, pares
Same
pala tayo
for
kinuha.
us.
Pares pala tayo na kinuha.
Pareho kami ni MJ, we love coffee. Ito, pareho namin kinuha coffee. Kahit sa ice cream coffee yung inuuna namin. Basta naman meron ako lipstick.
Oh, ang sarap, sobra.
I love ito.
Thank you.
Ito
How
lang
do you
for me.
maintain the quality?
I think that's what comes with having a small team for me. So,
Sarap.
dahil konti lang kami, very hands-on ako sa paggawa namin ng recipes and yung processes namin. So, yun, kaya na-maintain namin yung quality kahit papano. And as much as possible, we don't take orders that we cannot handle. So, pagka meron kaming bulk orders, talagang advance, and then yung preparation namin is weeks before para lang hindi bumaba yung quality niya.
Wow! Ang galing.
Sarap nito,
And how do you
Nikki.
handle your
Thank
money
you.
right now? Where do you invest?
Right now kasi I'm actually saving up to have another store hopefully kasi this is something that I believe can stand sa commercially, so not just online. Ayun.
Wow! Another store. So ngayon,
Ngayon commissary lang kami, Cloud Kitchen, and we stay sa house namin. I have a separate kitchen there. So, yun, very low overhead kami at the moment.
But how do
Saving
you
up
guard
our-
your recipe? Para hindi manakaw ng iba. Kasi dinidelegate mo na di ba? You have
yes,
to
we
guard
do.
your recipe. Baka yung
Yeah.
ibang aalis. Alam mo na, I'm not saying na aalis sila, but how?
Yeah. Para sa akin kasi, it doesn't really matter kasi very standard naman ang recipe for cream puffs. Ang daming recipes out there. It's really in the heart. How you make it makes the difference. So kahit pareho yung recipe, exact same ingredients, exact same method, but if your heart is not in it while you're making it, you can really taste the slightest difference.
I love it. I love what you're
I love
saying
that.
now.
I love
Ang
that.
ganda nun. no?
galing.
Yeah.
Nakaka-proud. I'm sure sobrang proud. May mga kapatid ka ba?
Ay, wala po. Only child po ako.
Oh, pero ang galing nung parents mo.
Thank you po.
Sila naisip ko, ano sabi ng daddy mo?
Ano naman po siya, very supportive naman sila both dun sa ano. Pero at first, syempre, medyo hesitant sila. Magbi-business ka, it's a big
Kasi di ba isa sabihin nila sa'yo, mag-corporate ka.
Actually, yun yung thinking na siguro yung mga lola ko, they think na it's better to have a job kasi that's the old mindset. Pero iba na kasi ngayon. It's better to be able to make your own name.
Anong feeling mo nung sinabi mo sa kanilang I told you so? Charot!
Ay, wala naman
Diba?
ganon.
I told you so.
Hindi naman. Very
Mas mayaman ka na
supportive
sa
naman
kanila.
sila.
Charot! Hindi naman.
Hindi
Pero,
naman.
oo, pero, di ba, na you're making your own money, you have your own team.
Business. Sarap po.
Ano sabi mo?
They're very happy for me naman, and yung mga small wins, they celebrate it with me, and pagka medyo nahihirapan kami, they support us kasi it's not all the time na syempre high or peak yung pastries.
Of course.
Syempre after the new year, marami nang nagda-diet ulit and all. Pero we just soldier through, tapos hindi nila ako pinapabayaan, you know. Pagka may kailangan ako, I just ask them na, is this a good idea? Or do you think I should do this? And all
Sa
that.
weddings, maganda pasukin mo yung
Yes,
weddings.
weddings.
Diba?
Hopefully nga soon, pagka medyo napuno ko na yung budget ko, I might have a dessert bar for rent din sa mga events.
Yeah, ang ganda nun.
Oo, kasi yun talaga yung hinahanap eh.
Malaki pang possibilities
Yeah.
talaga. Marami pang possibilities para
Exactly.
mag-expand yung business mo. May question lang ako. Magkano? Ilang calories ang bawat cream puff? I just need to know.
Pangalawa ko na ata. So, sige.
Nakadalawa na ako.
Okay, binitawan ko bigla eh.
More or less.
Too many to mention. Charot. Pero kasi, kaya siya ganun, we really use eggs. Ang base talaga niya is egg, milk,
Bakit yung iba
and
ba hindi
sugar.
eggs? Natakot
Bakit
ako
di ba
ah.
ba hindi eggs?
Ay, hindi po. There are some recipes that call for cornstarch or gelatin. Pero yung sa amin kasi, eggs. So,
Meron palang
Protein.
ganun.
may protein naman siya. So, kahit na medyo mataas siya in calorie count.
Kaya dapat pa isa-isa
Naku, baka
lang.
mga tatlong
Nakadalawa
it's,
na
it's
ako.
really just a
Takbo
treat
to.
for special occasions, ganun.
Wow.
Yan, oo. Nikki, may exclusive promo ka raw for inay ko po.
Yes, actually, para sa listeners and viewers natin, if you'd like to order until end of July, magbibigay kami ng discount with a minimum purchase. So just message us on our Facebook, The Softbox Patisserie, and then use the hashtag TSP at Inay ko po para maka-avail kayo ng discount.
Oh, screenshot nyo na to.
Yan na,
Thank you
oh,
so
ayun
much,
na.
Nikki.
You're
God
welcome.
bless you. Sobra, nakaka-proud ka.
At ang sarap talaga.
Oo, parang gusto ko bigla magnegosyo, ha? Thank you so much sa generosity
Ninegosyo ka na,
mo. Oo
besh.
nga pala. Oo, pero gusto ko pa.